Hi, in the previous session, we have seen how to create the sales order using BAPI. So, as the last step in that process is add the code for BAPI extension. So, first we'll understand what is this BAPI extension. The BAPI extension in the sales order is to be used if we have done any enhancement to the standard tables like VBAK, VBAP. So, most of the time, as per the business requirement, we add a custom field at the header level or item level in the sales order. Have a look at here. This is my sales order. So in my scenario, in my system, I have add this custom tab, registration details, and those are my fields, custom fields, which I have added at the VBAK header table. Okay, so same can be done at the item level. Now, if you want to pass the data to a custom field of sales order, either at the header level or at the item level, then we have to use this BAPI extension concept. Now, what is the prerequisite for this? The prerequisite for the BAPI extension, suppose if you have done enhancement in the VBAK table, then we have to add the same field in the standard structure, that is BAP underscore VBAK. In this structure, we have to add the same field with the same data element, just like VBAK. And in the structure BAP underscore VBAKX, we have to add same field which we have added in the VBAK, but here the data element will be char1. Similarly, for VBAK KOZ with the same field and same data element, and VBAK KOZX with the same field but the data element should be char1. This is to be done if we have added our custom field to the VBAK structure. Okay, and if you have done the enhancement in the VBAP, then those four structure to be appended, that is BAP underscore VBAP, VBAPX, VBAP KOZ, VBAP KOZX. Okay, so in my current scenario, I have done only at the header level. Okay, so when are you doing the enhancement, at the same time also append those structure. Okay, so let me show you my VBAK table first. Go to SE12. This is VBAK. Here, if you see the last, I have added three fields: registration number, date, and the registration office. Now, as I mentioned here, the same I have done in this structure. Let me show you. Go to SE12. VBAPA and BAP underscore VBAK. Here we have to add same field with the same data element using this append structure. So I have already done this when I done the enhancement. Okay, so if you have not done this, do at the time of using BAPI. This is VBAK. Now, if you go to BAP underscore VBAKX, here, as I told you, with the same field, but the data element will be char1. So here the field are same, but the data element is char1. Okay, like this we have to do VBAK KOZ with the same field and same data element, and VBAK KOZX. Field names are same, but the data element will be char1. Okay, so this is the prerequisite before using the BAPI. Okay, now we'll add the required code in our SE38 program. So first let me declare the data element for BAPI extension. data, that is gs underscore bape underscore vbak. This will be of type bape underscore vbak. vbakx, the type will be bape underscore vbakx. We don't have to use second structure in the BAPI level at the coding level. Okay, this we have to append the structure only. We don't have to do anything in the coding part. For the coding, we will use only this. Okay, now next, first go to h37. Now this BAPI, if you go to table level, so here there is a field, there is a table called extension in. Okay, here we have to pass the data. To declare an internal table like this with a work area, gs underscore extension, type BAPI arrays, and we'll keep the internal table name same, occurs 0 with header line. Okay, this is x. So what we have done, we have declared a structure for this vbak and vbakx, and then for the extension we have declared one internal table and one work area. Now have a look at the data element field of this structure. The first one is structure and second is value part 1. So we have to pass the structure name, that is bape underscore vbak in the structure, and the corresponding values into the value part that we'll see here. Okay. Now this is our header data, item data. Here we add the extension field. For extension fields, so here add gs underscore bape vbak. Our fields are zz. First one is reg date. You have to, if you are passing this from the Excel file, then we have to add those fields in the internal table also to get the data. Okay, for testing I'm passing the hardcode value here. Let me pass 2020 05 and 04. This is my date. Second, gs underscore bape underscore vbak. My second field is the registration number. Registration number, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6. gs underscore bape underscore vbak. My third field, that is a registration office. Say Pune city. Okay, those three fields already shown in the sales order. VA02 at the header level. While testing, we have not passed earlier those data. Okay, now we'll create a sales order by passing the data in this field also. Now this is the actual field data. We have to add with x, vbakx. Now here it will be x for all the fields because I'm passing all three fields. Suppose if you are using only the first field, if you're passing only the first field, then only this value will be x. Now we have added value to our structure. We have to append this into the extension field. How to do that? gs underscore extension. The first field is structure. Which structure we have to use? bape underscore vbak. This is our structure. Okay, and for this structure the values will be shown in value part 1, and the value part 1 will be our local work area. Okay, append gs underscore extension to the internal table extension. Okay, in the same way we have to pass this bbak x. Okay, so we have added our value here, corresponding fields we have made x here. We have to add this structure in the extension work area, append the extension work area to the extension table. Now this extension table to be passed to the BAPI. Okay, this is the extension table at the table level. Save, check, activate. Now let me test. As this was our text file, I have same file as it is. We'll upload the same file here. Source, execute. So we can see the sales order number 124 is created. Go to VA03 124, go at header level, registration details. Now you can see the values are here, the registration number, registration date, and the city, along with the other data which we have passed earlier. Okay, so here I have what I have done, I have hard coded my value in the program, but in real time scenario you have to add those fields in the internal table, add those value in the internal table, get the value from internal table, and then pass it, just like we have done with the header table, this document type, sales org, distribution channel. Okay, so in this way we can use the BAPI extension to create the sales order for passing the custom data. So in this way we have finished the complete session of sales order creation using BAPI with extension. Thank you.